Subscribe to guys.
We love our
this is
toy.
me, later.
Me and my bestie love our toy.
I gonna go.
It's the
Pew!
She looks so beautiful, di ba?
Yes, of course.
Yes.
It's brown. So this
Oh my gosh, it's so cute, Aye.
Wow!
So cute. Wara yun kumain.
I'm gonna watch TV.
I'm gonna go to my
Hanap pa sa Blink.
neighbor.
I have a cake. Oy, hintay! Hintay! Titakin ko yung
Oh,
Andrew.
no.
Ayun.
I'm gonna go to my neighbor. Neighbor, can I come?
Yeah. Let's watch here. Go
You
here.
want?
You're
I'll bring a juice.
Okay, I'm just gonna decorate my house.
Okay.
Why for me? Gararamid ka pa lang ka na.
Okay.
Wow, I have some Taki Rabbit. So guys, this is my big pencil. So I gonna raise it on the school.
I got
I'm gonna go.
Here we go, girl. Bestie. Let's sell. Here we go. I'll put
So
it there.
I gonna raise.
I'll get more. I'll get my plushie, okay?
Okay, this is my pet. This bear.
I have a pet rabbit.
Oy, ada ano ni?
No.
Oh, sim-simin ka dito yung ani.
Swimming ko ito yun. Swimming pool.
Nagdak kay swimming pool yung ani kay ayo. Yeah.
Ay. Yeah.
Dakkel na pencil kanyak ni. Tag 99 lang nito. 99 nights in the forest. Ito yung next yung swimming.
I want to buy this one.
99 nights in the forest. Thank you, friend. I'm gonna thank my friend.
Hello.
If you get thank you for the milkshake. Let's go.
Wait, you want to come with me? Cause I'm gonna go play swimming pool.
Okay, can I come?
Yes.
Oh, this bear. Look. I didn't have cute. Kylie, hanap ang glock notes yan. I look so cute.
Wait. I'm just gonna prepare
So
our
cute, the
swimming
dog.
pool first.
Okay, wait.
My
I'm gonna
favorite is
prepare
dog.
my house for a while.
The duck meat. I'm gonna decorate. Okay, I'm
I'm
ready.
dressing up.
I'm
Dressing
gonna
up.
remove my... Imagine ada imata ah.
Yeah, kunyari. Get